Proteins are one of the most essential elements of the human diet as it is responsible in muscular development, and in losing weight, lean protein is an important component of the dietary intake. But wait. Have you ever asked yourself what the correct proteins for weight loss are? Well, you can only get them from the right foods. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. Healthy proteins. The following foods contain proteins that will speed up your body's metabolic rate, thus leading to a healthy and safe weight loss. Whey Concentrate. The great thing about whey concentrate is that it comes with multiple unique properties that can help you with your weight loss and maintenance goals. This food has high levels of cysteine, which effectively promotes glutathione production, and thus helps the body in combating inflammation and oxidative stress. Research has shown that inflammation and oxidative stress can cause weight gain by simply damaging the metabolism with sugar. Whey concentrate has also been discovered to enhance the function of insulin. It is also designed to relieve those who experience stress eating, as it can boost your serotonin levels. However, make sure that your whey concentrate is examined in order for you not to get too much lactose. Eggs. Most people think that eggs have high fat content. Well, this is partly true, but when you eat it in isolation, i.e. one egg at a time, it can be great food for weight loss. It can also increase glucagon production, a hormone that functions to boost blood sugar while increasing the body's fat-burning ability. Egg whites. Egg whites come with multiple properties, making it a great food for weight loss. The body uses up a lot of energy in digesting them, and thus you are able to burn calories. In addition, when egg whites are consumed without carbohydrates, your body is forced to secrete high levels of glucagons, which are known as effective fat loss promoters. Turkey. Another food rich in protein for weight loss is turkey, which releases tryptophan, a sleep-promoting hormone. People with weight gain and weight loss problems often suffer from sleep disorders. By incorporating turkey in your diet, you will not just be able to improve the quality of your sleep, but lose weight as well. Fish. Fish is also a great source of protein because it is lean and comes with a great amount of fat. Experts say that fish is an indispensable component of any weight loss or weight control program. Grass-fed beef. This is also considered as great food for weight loss. It cannot just enhance cholesterol ratios which help blood sugar metabolism to keep you lean but also aids hunger and satiety. Now that you have discovered the best foods for protein, why don't you include them in your diet now? You will be surprised by the results later on. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comments section. For more info, check the links in the description below. See you the next video.